In this topic, we will going to discuss DRDO, means Defense Research and Development Organizations of India, is testing slew of state-of-art rockets and the missiles for Indian Armed Forces. In 2020, in a week's time, India has already tested the seven missiles in a week. So, in 2021, that missile test has never stopped, and this has actually increased. India has already tested so many missiles that existed with India and so many indigenously made missiles. India tested Ogni 5 missiles, Ogni Prime missiles, and supersonic cruise missiles and hypersonic launch vehicles. There are so many things India have already tested. So among them, the three will going to be discussed in this topic. And then those missiles are Smart, Sant, and Ubhash that has already tested in recent times. So we will going to discuss that the why the India is testing these missiles in the COVID pandemic time, and in having some so many crunches in economically, then why the India is testing those missiles. The reasons is very simple. We are living in a very hostile neighbors. We are living among the very hostile neighbors, and those hostile neighbors are Pakistan and the China. They are actually provoking the India. They are actually provoking the India to by sending their troops in our border states like Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, and in Himachal Pradesh region. So they are actually provoking the India. They are sometimes the sending the submarines in Indian Ocean regions, provoking the Indian Navy to counter the Chinese aggressions. India has to test these missiles, and India have to build indigenously developed missiles, because India cannot depend upon the other countries for the missile supply during the war. So we have to have our own facilities to provide our soldiers our own missile systems, and that will going to reduce our cost into the war. If there is a possibility of going into an war against the China or the Pakistans, this is actually a true front war. That is why we have already acquired the Rafale from the Dassault Rafale of France. And India wants to control the Indian Ocean region like the China controls the South China Sea. The China actually controls, not only wants to control, they actually claim the whole South China Sea. They actually created the 12 dotted line, then after that the 9 dotted line, and they said that the between these dotted lines, the every water is there. I mean, these oceans is there. So these kind of provoking, they are actually trying to provoke the United States, trying to provoke his own neighbors like the Japan, like the Vietnam, Philippines, and these other countries are also acquiring the weapons from India. Philippines is actually acquiring the weapons from India. They are actually acquiring the helicopters, the marine helicopters from India. Malaysia wants to acquire the Tejas. So there are so many development is happening. So that is why India has to ag- work against the Chinese intentions. The India is also working with the Central Asian countries. So now we will going to discuss that what are the missiles that India have already tested. India has tested recently tested. As I have already said in our first slide, that the India's tested missiles are Smart, Sant, and Obhash. Then what is the Smart missile? The Smart is an supersonic missiles will going. It's an anti-submarine missile. See, India's anti-submarine, it will going to increase the India's anti-submarine capability, because that is an supersonic missiles. That is an unique state of craft. Very limited countries have these kind of missiles. So it is beyond the conventional range. It is beyond the conventional range, because its range is almost 50 to 60 kilometer. Sometimes it can go beyond this, because all of the details has not been revealed by the government of India. So that is why the Smart missiles is actually an supersonic anti-submarine missiles, and is vertically launched. It can be launched from the ground, it can be launched from the canister based missile defense systems in everything, in from the ships. They can be launched from every platform. So that is why these missiles has been developed in supersonically by the India indigenously, and this stage has been successfully done by the DRDO, and that will going to go for the mass productions in a very little amount of time. And the second missile is the Sant missile, SANT. The Sant stand for Standoff Anti-Tank Missile. India already have anti-tank missiles which is Nag and the Helena. It is an upgraded versions of the Helena, because Helena is an helicopter-based missiles. The Sant is also an helicopter-based standoff missile. The DRDO has developed for the Indian Air Force anti-tank missiles, standoff anti-tank missile, and it has been tested in the Pokhran range, and its range is 10 kilometer, way more than the Nag. And India has also tested the Abhas missile, ABHYS, the Abhas missiles, which is an flight version missiles, and Abhas stands for the high speed expandable aerial target missiles, and that has been tested from the Chandipur of the coast of the Bay of Bengal in Odisha. So these are the missiles India have already tested. So now we have came to our conclusion slides, which is a questions. And if you have any query, then you can send me an email. You can send me an mail in my email address. If you wants to know anything else, you can send me mail in my email address. And the question is like that: the world largest aircraft carrier. Which one is the world largest aircraft carrier? The options are the USS Gerald R. Ford, the Admiral Kuznetsov, Leoning, INS Vikramaditya, and Charles D. Golly. So these are the options. I will going to tell you that the which aircraft belongs to which country. USS Gerald Ford belongs to the USA. That is a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. Admiral Kuznetsov belongs to the Russia. Leoning is belongs to the China. INS Vikramaditya belongs to India, and Charles D. Golly belongs to France. If you wants to individually wants to know that the what are these aircraft, what are the features of this aircraft, you can go to the websites and basically search for these aircraft carriers. You will going to know in details, and I already have made the video in Admiral Kuznetsov. You can go back in my in my videos and see over there. Thank you very much. That is the end of our representations.